Want to get the most out of your team's productivity? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI-powered features in teamwork.com to streamline your projects and boost your team's efficiency like never before. Now, Teamwork is already an impressive project management tool, but with AI-powered features, it becomes even more powerful. These features are designed to make your workflows faster and smarter, saving you time and helping you focus on what really matters. First, let's talk about how the AI in Teamwork can help automate your tasks. Teamwork's AI assistant can automatically assign tasks based on your team members' strengths and past activities. So, if you've got a project with lots of moving parts, this AI can make sure the right people are doing the right work without you having to manually assign tasks. It's like having an extra team member working behind the scenes, ensuring your project is organized and running smoothly. Next up, AI-driven insights can really set you apart. Teamwork's smart analytics tools analyze your projects and provide actionable insights. This means you'll get reports on potential delays, resource allocation, and even productivity trends. These insights can help you make smarter decisions and predict any roadblocks before they happen, letting you stay ahead of the game. One of the coolest features of Teamwork's AI is its ability to predict task completion times. Instead of just guessing how long something might take, Teamwork uses past data to predict the most accurate time frame for your tasks. This can be a game changer when managing multiple projects, because now you'll know exactly how much time each task needs and can plan accordingly. It's essentially taking all the guesswork out of project timelines. And for those of you who manage large teams, you'll love how Teamwork's AI can improve collaboration. The AI automatically flags tasks that are overdue or at risk, making sure the right team members get reminders in real time. This ensures that nothing slips through the cracks and keeps your team in sync. Teamwork also helps reduce unnecessary meetings. It suggests when to follow up with team members based on their progress, so you only need to meet when it's absolutely necessary. This way, you can save time and reduce the friction of constant check-ins. Before I go on, let me remind you. You can try all of these features for free using the first link below, plus gain access to some exclusive bonuses. But make sure you stick around until the end because I'll be sharing how you can extend your free trial and dive deeper into these features. Another standout feature is how Teamwork uses AI to manage your email notifications. It intelligently filters and prioritizes the most important updates, making sure you're only alerted when there's something that truly requires your attention. This is huge because it helps reduce the noise and keeps your focus where it's needed. Lastly, Teamwork's AI integrations with other tools you might already be using, like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, can give your team even more versatility. The AI ensures that everything syncs seamlessly, so you don't have to switch between platforms constantly. This keeps your workflow smooth and your team on track without extra steps. And that's just the beginning. The more you use Teamwork and its AI-powered features, the smarter it gets. The platform continuously learns and adapts, so over time you'll see even more personalized suggestions for your team and projects. So as you can see, Teamwork is not just a tool for managing projects. It's a smart assistant that's ready to make your workflow more efficient and productive. If you're new to this software, I highly recommend checking it out using the exclusive link below for a free trial with extended access. It's one of the best ways to test out all of the AI-powered features that can elevate your team's performance. Remember, Teamwork's AI features are here to give you the edge you need to stay organized, save time, and increase productivity. Don't miss out on the